We're going to work on changing from fractions to decimals to percent. We will come back to this chart. First, don't forget the easy ones. You already know what 7 over 100 says. Another way to write that is 7/100. We've been learning that as decimals. So if it's already over 100, you just put the decimal in it, whatever its name is. This one, I would use the calculator because that's not over 100. Doesn't make any easy sense to me. So it says 7. I like to think of this as the divided line because that says 7 divided by 16. So I'm going to put it in the calculator. 7 divided by 16 equals 0.43. I'm going to round it to the second place. This 7 would bump the 3 up to a 4. So 0.44. Now if I want to change them to percents, I move my decimal 2 to the right. So this would be 7%. This would be 44%. I think of it as if I want to get rid of the decimal, I have to slide it 2 to the right. And if I have a percent and I need to get rid of the percent sign, I need to slide this 1 2 to the left. So if it's already over 100, let's do that one first. You just write the number. How do you write 50 over 100? 50 hundredths, tenths, hundredths. So we're going to percent. So we gotta move to the right 2 places. One half would be the same as 50 over 100. Now, these are all a half. But if we didn't know that, we could just divide this in the calculator. 1 divided by 2. Let's look at that quick. .5, always leave the 0 off. So 0.5 we're going to need 2 places to get the percent later. You can always stick a 0 on, and we're back at 50% again. So these are all 50% because these are all names for 1/2. Let's go back to our original chart. None of these are over 100. You could multiply to get them something over 100, but I just like doing it with the calculator. So this one, I'm just going to put it in the calculator. This says 3, and the 3 goes in first, divided by 7. So getting my calculator, 3 divided by 7. I got a big long number again, so I'm going to round it to 2 places. The 8 would bump the 2 up to a 3, 43. 0.43. So to get it to the percent, I gotta slide 2 to the right. I always write my percents funny. I'll try and write them more like this. All right, this one we're starting with a decimal, so this way is easy. 1, 2, that'd be 70%. This one we're going the other way. When we take this off, we gotta put 2 decimal places in it. So it would be 1.32. That would be more than full. 100% would be full. So now to go to the fraction, this is going to be 70. And it's in the hundredths place. Tenths, hundredths. 70 over 100. This is 1 and tenths, hundredths. 32 over 100.